Well, here we are down at the Mineral County Courthouse yet again. Coming in today just to see if Dawn, one of the county commissioners that I have talked to on a couple different occasions and seems to at least be open to conversation, is around. I'm just going to go ahead and let them know, so it's not a surprise or anything, that I am filing today in U.S. District Court for violation of civil rights. I'm just at the point where I ain't got the time or the patience to wait for them to go ahead and admit that they did wrong and that I do get a day in court. Violation of civil rights is something that I hold to be very offensive, very damning. It's very harmful to our society. So I feel like these people need to be held accountable. The deputies for what they did, for the fact that they want to act like they did nothing wrong. They're currently running around the county continuously, probably, and I don't know because I haven't looked at any tickets or courts or anything that they've been to. But I would assume that they so freely violated Know Your Target and Beyond. His video, he may be batshit crazy or whatever, but the video does not lie. They violated his rights. They were going to kill him, and they didn't even have a reasonable, articulable suspicion or reason to pull him over. And it's just ridiculous that the sheriff's department in Mineral County, Superior, Montana, feels like they get away with this. And I'm sure it comes all from what they like to call upstairs, or district court, or the county attorney's office. I'm not saying the court, I'm not saying any judge that presides over the court, but the county attorney, the deputy county attorney, the sheriff's office, the sheriff's department, and all the deputies, even though they want us to think that they're not liking each other, they all work together to cover each other's ass. That's just the way a gang works. Don't lie to yourself. This is the Blue Line Gang. So anyways, I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to see if they're willing to talk about it or not. I am then going to go to Missoula, Montana and file this in federal court. I do totally and wholeheartedly suspect that my contact with Mineral County Sheriff's Department, Montana State Highway Patrol, and I say that because Sean Smalley is a big supporter of Ryan Funk. And Sean Smalley is a Montana Highway Patrol deputy officer, whatever, state trooper, who is running also for county commissioner in Mineral County where he lives. Nothing wrong with that. Only thing I advise or would warn or would caution anybody listening about is he is another Blue Line supporter of a sheriff who has, in the eyes of the Montana Supreme Court, violated the rights of Montana state residents, United State residents. And Sean Smalley has personally told me that he supports Ryan Funk and that Ryan Funk's working hard and Ryan Funk's this and Ryan Funk's that. But he's just a supporter, and he's a Blue Line Gang member also. So I would like to caution you all about voting for him. Now, the county commissioner that I plan on going in and talking to, she also is running for county commissioner. She was county commissioner at one time. I don't know if she resigned, quit, or what, but she was also the human resources person here for Mineral County. And from all things that I can see, she does her job the best that she can, and it only fell off the tracks. From what I see, the human resources portion of her job, when she wasn't there to do it, and the job was given to somebody else who obviously had not the training that she does. So, and I say, we're coming up on an election. You people, us people, the people, need to start looking at all of this to make these decisions as informed as we can. We got to stop voting because we see somebody's name all over the community. That just means that they have support, not that they have support for the right reasons, or their vision for our community is not what we support. And there's nothing wrong with them for having another position on it. They get that. I do not believe, and I'll say this flat out, I do not believe that everybody is entitled to an opinion. I do not. I do believe, however, that everybody is entitled to an argument. But their argument has to be reasonable. It has to be a good argument. All right, so here we go. We're going to go on in. We're going to get this done. I'm going to close this phone. I don't know if the camera is going to shut off. I hope not. I hope it stays on so that I can continue to film when I go in. If it does shut off, I will surely restart it before I enter the building so that nothing is missed. You've heard the county attorney tell me once before on a video to put down my First Amendment rights. I will not put down my First Amendment rights. I will not put down any of the rights that I had to re-earn from this state and this country. I did not serve my country by going to war or making sure that people going to war had bullets or whatever people feel is service to their country. I did not do that. My service to my country is now. It's me holding these people accountable. It's me standing up for the rights of not just myself, but everybody else here, whether they like it or not. I don't need your approval to do what I'm doing. I'm doing what I feel is right. All right, so here we go. We're going to close the phone and we're going to head on in.